The James Webb Space Telescope does it again, and this time it uncovered the oldest black hole that has ever been seen before. This black hole, found in one of the oldest known galaxies, GNZ11, makes its discovery strikingly unique. So let's unveil this unique discovery and find out why this black hole has never been spotted before, and what does JWST find in it. GNZ11, one of the oldest and the pinnacle of the cosmic realm. This is roughly about 13.4 billion light years away from Earth, so traveling to this galaxy even with the fastest spacecraft ever known to man, like the Parker Solar Probe, would still be distant by a large margin and impractical to travel to. We're looking at a galaxy that is 3 times as old as our Earth. How did we detect something that is positioned at such an extraordinary distance? Here's where a telescope with exceptional precision comes into play: the James Webb Space Telescope. This discovery has stemmed in the understanding and the working of supermassive black holes that prevails in the universe. To spot this black hole from the vast universe, it took the astronomers 2 infrared cameras to scan the surroundings. The telescope initially noticed an illuminated expansion emanating from the black hole. This was when the JWST discerned the signs of it using the NIR cam, or the near-infrared camera. This is the primary camera of the telescope. This aids in providing a high-resolution image to examine. How is a black hole existing this far from Earth's atmosphere visible to a telescope? The galaxy GNZ11 is confirmed to have a redshift of 11.1, which is nearly 200 million years closer to the Big Bang. This is basically a wave-like effect that occurs when the light from a galaxy is emitted from one source to another that is situated very far. This long traveling of the light waves makes it seem redder than it usually is. As the light waves stretch out, the waves will eventually have a lower pitch that moves towards the red end of the electromagnetic spectrum. To put it concisely, the higher the value of redshift, the farther and older the galaxy is. Although there is yet another galaxy that has the highest redshift ever measured, JD's GS-Z13-0, this has a redshift of 13.2. The Webb could effortlessly detect the presence of the black hole due to the advanced theory used in the designing of the telescope, that being the gravitational lensing. As the name suggests, this technique utilizes the gravity of a huge prevalent galaxy cluster to enhance the radiance that emits from the galaxy. So the JSWT relied on the galaxy cluster MAX J1149 plus 2223, which helps to elevate the radiance and the signal to spot the black hole and the galaxy. MAX J1149 plus 2223 is located not 1 or a couple but 5 billion light years away from our planet. This galaxy cluster helped in boosting the light from it by 15 times. If you're wondering what really is the inherent purpose of gravitational lensing, the final justification might give you a vivid idea. This technique helped the USA acquire a picture of both the galaxy and the black hole with great sharpness and precision. The picture and the spectrum alone was a solid evidence for the telescope to provide a detailed list of information of the black hole, like the age, distance, and the composition. Now, that's how the Webb played an important role in discovering the black hole and revealing important information one might need. The discovery has been made and the details are now official. Does that serve as a discovery useful for the future? Yes, it certainly does. This discovery was not as easy as we see or hear. Various techniques were applied, accompanied by significant efforts to unveil something that had been beyond one's grasp and imagination. This now helps astronomers to comprehend the presence and the growth of a black hole. Moreover, this sparks ideas in one's head about the early universe and about its impact during the reionization era. This discovery also confirmed that there is something more than usual lurking in space that's yet to be discovered. So they're effectively working on the advancement of the technology and the build of the essential mechanisms required for an unobstructed examination. This is just the beginning. James Webb and other powerful space instruments are on their mission to explore and discover every nook and cranny of the universe. Only time holds the key to all answers. We hope you've gained new insights and discoveries that might have made you feel refreshed and given you a new perspective on viewing the universe. there sure are going to be great revelations about space in the future. So if you want to stay updated, consider liking our video and subscribing to our channel. Until next time, stay inquisitive.